Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your name on Fortnite. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do first, you're gonna access your Chrome browser on your mobile phone and go to search bar and type in Epic Games. Once you're in the official website of Epic Games, what you're gonna do is tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner of the screen and tap on this profile icon again and get logged in. You can see I am already logged in over here. Afterwards, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this account over here. Here you're gonna log in with your Fortnite account. All right, once you're in this account settings, you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna find your display name. Right, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this pencil icon with the box here in this blue section. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you will be able to, you can see your current display name. And here in this new display name, you're gonna go ahead, write in whatever you would like to change your name into. Once you're done, you're gonna go back and type in I understand I cannot change my display name again for 2 weeks after this change. So after the change, within the 2 weeks, you cannot change it. All right, and then tap on this confirm, and then you will be able to change your username or aka your name to anything you would like. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.